Good morning, you guys. I just finished my morning run. We're in Maui here. Did I get to show you guys Ellen Fisher yesterday? If not, I'm gonna show you Ellen today. You wanna say hi to my friends? Do you wanna say hi to my friends? Anyways, so we're gonna enjoy some lunch and some food right now. As you guys can see, I have some papayas, some baby papayas, some longans, some mangoes, some strawberries, grapes, more papayas, a little bit of kiwi, and more giant papaya. We've been feasting pretty well since we've been here. We had delicious salads with Ellen last night. I posted those on my Instagram. And today we're gonna go chase some waterfalls. You guys ready? Guess what, everybody? We've got a car full of beautiful people, some surprise guests. We've got Miss Ellen. Hello. We've got Elvis. Sandy. And we've got Sandy. Say hi. Say hi. That's right. And of course, Miss Julia. Hello. Hello. Where are we going, Ellen?
We're going to a waterfall.
We're going to a waterfall. Which waterfall? We're just going to a waterfall, and it's gonna be great. Time for an adventure. Let's go. We're having fun at the waterfall with the boys. With Ellen. Say hi, Ellen. Time to jump in and play. We just had an amazing time swimming in this waterfall. It's so magical. And now we're getting our stuff ready to head back. So much fun. So much fun. I don't even know what to say. We just have had so much fun. Okay, so we are nearing the end of the day. We've had an amazing day. Like, we went to waterfalls today. Where's the with the mountains? With the mountains, and you'll see those pictures on Instagram. And now we just came back to the house. We all made dinners. They're having potatoes and tomato sauce and lettuce, and I'm having basically the same salad as last night, like greens, tomato, bell pepper, celery, avocado, lemon juice, spices. So good. And yeah, we're all just gonna enjoy dinner and maybe play some Sorry with Elvis. Hey! It'd be good.